In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit multi-level lists for headings in Microsoft Word. Multi-level lists are essential when you're working with structured documents like reports, research papers, or manuals. They allow you to organize your headings into clear levels such as chapter, section, and subsection, making your document easier to read and more professional. To begin, open your document and go to the Home tab at the top of the screen. In the paragraph group, locate the multi-level list icon. Click on it to see a variety of predefined list styles. These styles are designed to work well with headings and can automatically apply numbering like 1, 1.1, 1.1.1, and so on. Choose a style that matches your needs, preferably one that is already linked to heading levels. Once selected, apply the appropriate heading styles to your text, such as Heading 1 for main sections, Heading 2 for subsections, and Heading 3 for deeper levels. This connection ensures that your numbering updates automatically as your document grows. To customize the multi-level list, click on the multi-level list icon again and select Define New Multi-Level List. This will open a dialog box where you can edit each level in detail. On the left side, you can select the level you want to modify, such as Level 1 for main headings or Level 2 for subheadings. For each level, you can change the number format, adjust how numbers appear, and choose whether to include numbers from previous levels. You can also link each level to a specific heading style, which helps maintain consistency throughout your document. Additionally, you can adjust the alignment and indentation settings to control how your headings are positioned on the page. This is useful for creating a clean and organized layout that is easy to follow. After making your changes, click OK to apply the updated multi-level list. Your headings will now reflect the new numbering and formatting settings you've chosen. By properly editing multi-level lists, you can create a well-structured document with clear hierarchy and professional formatting, making it easier for readers to navigate your content. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.